Limits for likes and comments. Okay, so you may be worried that you're going to spend the day on Instagram. You've decided, I'm going to bust my Instagram and build it in a day. So I'm going to go over and I'm just going to like and comment until my account explodes. And that's a good idea. Just keep in mind, Instagram is not stupid. They look at things like past behaviors. They're going to decide whether or not you look natural. If you're not aware of it, there are bots. There are bots that you can purchase. You can purchase time. You can buy likes. You can do a lot of things with bots. And if you don't know about bots, don't be touching them yet. Uh, Maybe don't touch them ever. Yeah, I gotta stay safe with what I say. Anyhow, what I want you to know is that there are limits to looking natural. And even those that use bots, there are settings on those bots so they don't go overboard and get their account banned, get their account suspended, get it blocked, any number of things. You want to be safe. Takes longer, but you still have your account when you log in the next day. And that's the whole goal of it. Why build something just to try to hurry and be an overnight success, which isn't going to happen, and lose everything you've worked for? So, as far as comments, the norm runs 200 to 250 comments a day because honestly, for you to type out 200, 250 comments a day, that's quite a bit. So, that's what you're looking at. You can like usually around the same amount or a little higher on likes. So if you're going through and you're liking everything, keep it natural. Probably 300 a day is your limit before Instagram says something's wrong. And that's spread out through the day, people. That's not just a rapid fire. Nothing on Instagram should be rapid fire. They know that's just bull. The thing with commenting that is harder to handle than likes. Likes are just a lazy man's way of trying to get attention. Comments, however, we have a video about commenting, but don't post the same comment over and over and over because a lot of people decide, I'm going to do this and I'm going to write up a sheet with 5 or 6 comments and just go through and paste them in. Duplicate comments, I mean, Instagram knows what that is. It looks like a bot because that's what bots do. Bots allow you to put up usually around 5 different types of you can write out 5 different comments and it goes through and it comments those same 5 comments. So you would essentially look like you're a bot, which Instagram doesn't like, which then Instagram punishes your account for. If you want attention from commenting, and there's no reason to leave a comment and go through the hassle if you're not going to get attention, leave a comment that actually coincides with the image or the message that you're posting on. Take that time, write it out. Don't just leave a freaking emoji. Emojis look like spam. You start doing that a lot, and Instagram can look at you as a spammer. Not only Instagram, but most other people that you're leaving those emoji comments on, they're going to see you as spam and they're going to delete the comment. And after a few of those, Instagram's going to start taking note. So stay within your limits. Keep it natural. No more than 300 likes a day. No more than 200 to 250 comments a day, original comments that are associated with the image and not just emojis. Don't look like a spammer. And don't just go through and hit crap. Start targeting. The better you target, the better audience you build. You may not get 1 million followers as fast, but they're going to be followers that are interested in you. So there you go. Stay within the safe limits. Take all day to do this. on and off, on and off. Don't just try to sit down and do it in one. Nobody's an overnight success. So do it right. Keep your Instagram account in good standing.